I thought you were gonna put the music.
Huh?
I thought you were gonna put the music.
I've got it, it's in my ear. Do you want to listen to the music with me?
Sure. Ah.
George Harrison.
Two knots faster. Oh, what's the answer with? It sounds like either Frankie or Will. It sounds like either Frankie or Will or Malizia going wow, wow, wow. Here.
All I can hear is Rolling Stone.
Out of your head. We got them? Shit, yeah. Sorry, language. Yeah, no, we're going very nicely here. Working the boat hard. We've got a good gauge. Well, I think we're faster and higher than them. So we just had a VHF call from them. I think they're getting a bit worried that we're getting a bit too close for comfort, but up and over. Very nice.
Yeah, but this one?
Fabric, TRR, and editor.
You had a nice wake up, was he?
Yeah, super nice wake up. Overtook the others. And now it's just biotherm in front. And the other ones are behind. But you can see them. It's a nice game. But I'm very happy so far. And it's always nice if you wake up and you're in front. Then I'm extra happy with all the crew. And then we have the weapon on the wheel, Caroline. I wish she could stay 48 hours, but unfortunately she needs to rest and she needs to eat.
Yeah, we are already just in course.
Yeah.
Which is good, huh?
J0, huh? J0 now.
10.5.
I think so. It should only drop. We can take a bit of time. I don't think there's rush. There's still 10, 11 knots.
It's still 11 knots.
There's still J2 here.
Next one is the starboard rounding. Perfecto.
Frankie is done.
Huh?
The Frankie is done.
Yeah, the Frankie is done. He will be proud of us. Ooh, J0. Looking good.
Sounds nice, your breakfast.
Huh? It's the healthy option. It's too melted to eat the chocolate square, so you have to spoon it out of the packet. It's quite good, though. It's like a hot chocolate in the morning.